we've got a number of things we're going to do here with this traction table. And the first thing we're going to do is to turn on a vibration. And that vibration, we have set it at a constant vibration that will allow your muscles to relax 50% faster than they would if you weren't vibrating them. Now, the reason we have it into a constant vibration is because this is the amount of vibrating waves that actually the body works with. And we found that in the experimentation, when we made it to where the patient could turn the vibration on or off, or up or down, that they thought that more was better, and they would always turn it up as high as it would go. And so we found that that didn't work as good as if we made it to where we set the vibration rather than the patient. Secondly, we've got this table to where we can show the patient how to run it himself. And I'll start with this, with running this guy. And notice that end up here is moving. So look at it. That's going to be the area that we hook up patient's head to. As I push on this next one, notice that now my feet's coming off the floor. And the reason is because we are now using this kind of a traction table where we'll put the person's feet in here, or we will hook it up to a belt that will hook to their waist. Now, what we found, again, was that, I'll run it back down just showing you how to start working it. We found this. You didn't necessarily just have a back problem. A lot of times their legs and the muscles that were hooked from their legs to their back were involved. And we found that if we were to traction them from hooking their feet up and their head up, that we then could traction and do a whole lot better job. Now, that doesn't mean that they have to do it every time that way. We found some people that we would traction from their head to, literally from head to foot, about every 5/5 time that we tractioned them. And then the other times we would hook them up to a belt around their waist and just traction from their waist to their head. So we're going to show you both ways to do this in this particular video. And to do that, I will get my assistant Jen hooked up and we'll go from there. Okay?